a very different complexion, but it certainly looks pretty wintry outside the window in Birmingham. A scene fairly typical, I think, for many parts of central Wales and the Midlands. We saw the sleet and snow arriving across the southwest in the early hours, pushing northeastwards through many parts of England and Wales, but it's fragmenting now as it moves up across Northern Ireland, Northern England, southern Scotland. Mostly rain and sleet, snow over the higher ground, but our attention is now being drawn to the south coast, where we're seeing some more heavy rain spreading up from France. Now, this is going to cause us some headaches later on in the day, as we'll see in a moment. But it will be rain arriving across southern England during the course of this afternoon, a wet end of the day here. A lot of cloud elsewhere, sunshine at a premium. Some sunshine across the west coast of Wales and the north of Scotland, but most other places rather grey and misty, where that snow is gently thawing away. Certainly a raw feel to the day across many parts of the country, 2s and 3s at best, particularly where there's snow lying. Across the far southwest, though, rather milder here, 7 or 8 degrees. Now this evening, this little weather system here will bring rain to many southern parts of the UK, but once again, as it hits the cold air resident over parts of the Midlands, especially the high ground, we could see a spell of snow spreading up into parts of northeast England, especially the higher ground. And eventually, that'll continue northwards into some eastern parts of Scotland, clearing up behind, but because the ground is so cold, we could see some icy stretches, especially across central and northern parts of the UK, temperatures close to freezing. So a pretty grim start to the weekend for eastern Scotland, northeast England, some rain, sleet, but snow up over the high ground, very misty and murky. But elsewhere, a much brighter prospects and welcome sunshine. In fact, many eastern parts of England will have a bright and breezy afternoon, but some heavy showers getting going further west, and they'll merge perhaps into some longer spells of rain later on in the day, maybe the odd rumble of thunder. Turning milder in the south, double figures would you believe, but slow to recover in the north. But over the next few days, just watch as those temperatures climb higher and higher and higher. In fact, by the middle of the week, we could get as high as 16 or 17 into the low 60s Fahrenheit, positively balmy, but we'll pay for that with some rain. Sunday's weather map shows an active weather system spreading wet and windy weather across many parts of the UK. Business as usual